What's your black reality? Well, this is Shorty's black reality, all right? This is Shorty's black reality. You get the big picture here? That's the Baltimore Ravens. And the Ravens is they the champions of their division. That's me and Ray Lewis. Ray Lewis worked the fields, I worked the streets. You feel me? Ray Lewis worked the fields, I worked the streets. We talking about race and racism. All right? Race and racism. That's Ivan Bates. And that's me when I came to Baltimore, my first dollar. I'm not from Baltimore. I'm from a place called Zion. I'm the cook in Baltimore, and I'm getting ready to cook y'all up. I gave y'all a Shorty program in 2006, and y'all locked me up for giving you a program to stop mass incarceration. That's Ozzie Newsome from the Ravens. That's Ed Mulatello from the Ravens. And I applied for Martin Luther King's job, like public accommodations, the right to use your bathrooms. You feel me? The right to use the bathroom. And y'all made me famous for that. That's my toilet in Towson. Like I said, art and evidence. That's the Maryland Volunteer Lawyers for the Arts. If you go to Maryland Volunteer Lawyers for the Arts and get my paperwork. If you go to Senator Antonio Hayes and get my book. All right? If you go to Ivan Bates and get all my paperwork, because like I said, I was making a movie about America. Leaders of a beautiful struggle. Baltimore's the city that reads. That's me, my store on Falls Road. Respectfully submitted to Judge Boris. And that's in 2000 and what? Long before I got locked up. The state of Maryland and the state of Illinois destroyed property and evidence. We're going to defund the police? No, I'm going after your money. I'm a Baltimore City hero. And you go in the city paper and see. You can talk to Mr. Conway too. Like I said, did you use the toilet today? You're going to think about me tomorrow. It's public accommodations. That's the 2021 Weaver Award. I'm famous for shitting on people. And that's President Trump. You go directly to President Trump and the Secret Service and get my paperwork. Because you called the Secret Service on me the last time around. Letters Design is a movie. A movie about Baltimore. You feel me? A movie about Baltimore. Don't hate the player, dog. Hate the game. You picked the fight with the wrong black man. You picked the fight with the wrong black man. Alright? Because everything I do, I document. That makes it a documentary. You feel me? All about Baltimore. You feel me? I'm the cook in Baltimore. I'm the cook in Baltimore. And you kidnapped me from my family. You stole me from my people. That's Senator Van Hollen. That's Doc Cheatham. That's Loyola Blakefield. In regards to your documentary, I will not be able to appear. That's Senator Cardins in 2007. That's Corey McCray. Like I said, Letters Design is a movie. So we're going to walk this way. That's Marilyn Mosby, and that's Asselbrook. We're going to take these steps for justice. That's the Supreme Court, 2007. Told you what I was doing. Zion Anti-Violence Program. I gave you that. I gave it to Mayor Scott in 2006. See that? 2008, your prison industry. That's President Barack Obama. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. And that's Baltimore City, Baltimore County, and Lake County, Illinois. My constitutional right of self-representation. My constitutional right to approach our public officials. And you didn't do nothing. That's Governor O'Malley, Governor Quinn, Attorney General in Illinois, and Attorney General in Maryland, and Barack Obama. And he asked for an investigation. That's 2009. That's my lawyer, Mr. Bailey. 1402 Lochner. That's Billy Murphy and Billy Murphy Law Firm. Right there. Clearly states whistleblower on the courts. And you had evidence and knowledge, and you got that. We're going to turn you over like a bad penny. In regards to your documentary, I will not be able to appear. These are the supporters of Shorty's. This was received in 2008 while I was locked up. Like I said, I'm a jailhouse lawyer. P.O. Box 38. And I broke down the law. Right here. False records represented to the grand jury. Bartry. Alright? All that. Grand jury hearings. Documents. Alright? You see who got that? That's Rob Fix. Glenn Nelson. Paul Weinblatt. Sheriff Fisher. Ben Cardins. You feel me? And that's legal. State of Illinois. 074988. I never got a trial. And this is Mikulski, a privacy release. Attorney General of Illinois. You feel me? I got my shit together. And she my poster child. So Asselbrook, you sitting in the Senate right now. 2008. 1402 Lochner, the office of President Barack Obama. Barack Obama said investigate. You ain't had the investigation yet, so I did it for you. It's all right here. All right? It's all right here. And Judge Badar and Chief Justice Roberts of the Supreme Court got it. Governor Westmore got it. You got it. Like I said, that's Mosby. These are the supporters of Shorty's. And it clearly states right here, that's my DOJ number. And that's the Department of Justice in 2014. You were sitting in that seat. I got everything I need. Gov.O'Malley, grand jury request, Supreme Court, and the money behind mass incarceration. The prison industry. See the big picture here? We're at Shitty Hall. Started it at the City Hall. I'm going to end it at City Hall. Because we started it right here. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. That's Governor O'Malley. And that's Get Shorty right here. 2008, 2006. Martin O'Malley. And this is public safety. See what it says? Facebook and Twitter. Dwayne Shorty Davis. That's parole and probation. I never got a trial. And you still playing with my toilets. You feel me? That's Mayor Brandon Scott. And these are the supporters of Shorty's. We are employing any and all appropriate officials in the state of Maryland to assist Shorty for his justice in Illinois. That's Judge Carrion. That's Governor Westmore. And that's St. Paul's School. See the date? 2006. That's how long I've been fighting for my freedom. So Governor Westmore, that's you. That's Ivan Bates. That's President Obama. That's WJZ. And that's parole and probation. That's parole and probation. Consent to be videotaped. Y'all got to play the whole tape. And you got to play this. And President Trump, you too. Everything you got. That's Eric Holder, the Department of Justice. Everything that Fox 45 got, y'all got to turn over. Visit your QR code. Everything Ivan Bates got, you got to turn over. Can you hear me now? Ray Lewis run the fields. I run the streets. From the streets to the seats. 2025 session coming in. I want exoneration of the Supreme Court. Because you can't stop the show. We right here at City Hall. Remember that.